Are you ready for the best day of my life? Inside this box is the best day of my life. Does that make any sense? No. So guys, this is a big day. I haven't had a new PC in, I think it's been like 2 or 3 years, and this is a special one because this PC was actually provided by DogHouse Systems. I hope you can see the logo, DogHouse Systems. So we're gonna crack it open. I'm gonna go over the specs of this thing, and I'm gonna tell you guys how you can actually get a free SSD from DogHouse. So huge shout out to DogHouse for providing this PC for me, guys. I can't tell you how excited I am, and it's really gonna help a ton as far as my workflow, getting videos out faster and making better videos and stuff. But guys, this is actually a really cool company. I had a chance to talk with them, and just getting to know them, I can tell they just place a huge priority on customer service and support. They're kind of a small company in Texas, and it's just a group of guys who love what they're doing. They love building PCs, and they're really passionate about making the customer happy. So yeah, just based on my conversations with them, I could just tell, like, they put the customer at number one. They're not gonna sacrifice making the customer happy for making a profit, and I just think that's cool. So I'm super excited to be working with them, and also I'm super excited to crack this bad boy open. So let's do it. Let's crack this bad boy open. Actually, first off, I'm interested in the power level. So let's see what the Scouter says about its power level. Oh my goodness, guys, it's over 9,000. Okay, let's do it. Let's crack it open. But yeah, guys, it was really refreshing for me to be talking to them and just hearing how much they care about the actual customer. They care about the person. And he actually said their goal when they're working with people is to treat them like family. And it's just super refreshing to hear something like that, as opposed to like a big corporate company where it's like all they care about is just how to make the most money. So that's really cool. Okay, guys, let's open this bad boy. Oh, it's beautiful. It's indescribably beautiful. Wow, how did they fit all the parts in here? Wait, where's the power button? Oh, it's in here. Okay, we got some cords here. We're gonna need that. But yeah, all the guys there have a ton of experience. They're not just reading from a script. Okay, we got a bag here that says EVGA. More cords. See, we're gonna need these cords. Okay, we're taking a sideways approach. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a sideways approach. Okay, it's out. All right, cut that bag open. Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am. So actually, you know what? I don't think I've talked about this in any videos, but I'm actually moving pretty soon. It's a temporary situation, but I'm gonna be moving for probably 8 or 9 months. I'm gonna be renting a place. So I'm actually gonna try to create a whole new setup, and this is a really critical part of it. Dude, this is so cool looking. Okay, you gotta see the front. Guys, it's just like clean. Dude, I love kind of just the minimalist style of it. Okay, I think I gotta take these screws out to get the plastic off. And actually, while I'm getting the plastic off, I'll tell you guys how you can get a free SSD from DogHouse. So it's pretty simple. If you use the code Pungence when you're getting a new PC, oh yes, this is what I'm talking about. Yes, this is what I love. Yeah, if you use code Pungence when you're getting your new PC from them, then you'll get a free SSD, which I think is huge. A solid state drive, that's a really important part of a PC, so to get it free, I feel like that's pretty cool. Plus, if you use the code when you're getting a PC, they do give me a commission for it too. But guys, if you do it, don't do it for me, do it for the free solid state drive. But I got a feeling there's probably some of you out there who you're really getting ready to get a new PC, so maybe this is perfect timing. Okay, we don't need this. Do you see what I see? 2080 Ti. Oh my goodness. Dude, this is amazing. Okay, here's what I'll do. I'll put the specs on the screen. I don't have the list in front of me, so I'll put all the specs on the screen so you can see. But guys, I'm telling you, this is gonna help out so much with videos, helping me get them out faster, helping me to make higher quality videos. But yeah, huge shout out to DogHouse for hooking me up with this. Guys, I'm telling you, it is a solid company. I actually feel pretty lucky to have found them because that's something I really care about. Like, a company that actually cares about their customers. Like they said, they'll bend over backwards. If anyone ever has any issues with their PCs, like they'll bend over backwards to make sure they get it right. So that kind of stuff, I just think it goes a long way. But yeah, guys, like I said, if you're in the market for a new PC and you want a free solid state drive, use code Pungence from DogHouse. But guys, I'm actually gonna have to let you go. I gotta set this thing up and have the best day of my life. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.
Now's the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing is gonna explode. Oh! Oh my goodness, it's a Pungence gun! Oh! It turns everyone into Pungence! No! No, he got me! I'm trying to get out! Crazy red shark. Dude, he's going in!